Hey everyone, welcome to Singable Words. Today we're learning a cool word you can sing with me. We'll break it down with its definition, synonyms, antonyms, an example sentence, and even a quick knowledge check. Stick around till the end for a funny joke. Let's get started.
Singable Words.
The word is
Makeshift.
Now let's sing it together. Grab any instrument you can play and follow through its chords and its lyrics.
Makeshift is something temporary or something used for the time being, but it's not something permanent or always there.
But wait, here are some words that mean almost the same thing. We call them synonyms.
Alternative, substitute, temporary.
Not every word has a BFF. Some have opposites, and we call those antonyms.
Permanent, stable, durable.
Now before we head on and use this word in a sentence, want to hear a joke? Why did the astronaut use a banana peel as a makeshift helmet? Because he wanted to be the first person to slip into space. Now, let's use it in a sentence.
Using blankets and chairs, they built a makeshift fort in the living room for their afternoon adventure.
Subscribe down below and be sure to hit that like button. Now, let's test your knowledge. Give me a thumbs up if the word is a synonym, and a thumbs down if the word is an antonym. So next time you're writing or talking, you can use this word or one of its friends, depending on what you want to say. So go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.
Singable Words.